How to fix footer in Slide Master not showing in PowerPoint. If you've set up a footer or slide numbers inside PowerPoint's Slide Master, but they refuse to show up on your actual slides, in this video I'll show you the step-by-step fix. We'll enable hidden placeholders, resync your slide layouts, and fix overlay issues so your footers display properly across your entire deck. So firstly, let me show you the most common fix. Master footers won't display on actual slides unless they are explicitly enabled in normal view. So just open up your presentation, make sure you are on the normal view, go up to the Insert tab right here, and then in the text section, click on Header and Footer right here. Okay, and in the dialog box, make sure that the checkbox is for date and time, slide number, and footer are ticked, and then apply and OK. Okay, in my case they are enabled. Apply and close the window. Next, what if the footer placeholder was accidentally removed or hidden behind shapes inside the slide master itself? For that you need to go to the View tab, and then select Slide Master right here. Click on the specific layout thumbnail on the left panel where the footer is missing. Let's say I will choose this one. Look at the top ribbon and ensure the footers box in the master layout group is ticked. Right here, ticked in my case. In the footer box, if the footer box is already there, right click its border frame and select Bring to Front. This prevents background graphic or slide shapes from covering your footer text. And also guys, if your footers appear in master view but individual ones still refuse to display them, your slides are out of sync with the master layout. So close the master view, go to your left hand side thumbnail panel, select all affected slides like this, then right click and click a reset slide, and that will force PowerPoint to reapply the master template and restore missing footers. So that's it. Do all these steps. Enjoy.